floor?
13, please.
Floor 12.
I'm going.
Going up. Floor 13.
This is at 909 Q Street. Oh, that elevator doesn't come up to the top. Here's quickly what the residential floors look like. Pretty bare bones. I feel like these are Evo and not, I think these are Evo. Oh look.
Yeah, they're Evolution, see it?
Just barely. See the counterweight there too. Yeah, these are Evolution. L is open, we can go there.
Floor LL.
And here's the garage. Probably should get in because I have a feeling that might close up on us. Ended on 1. Why can't I even go to 1? Bro! Hey, so that's a bit of a screw up. I don't think the main floor is supposed to be locked
Floor
off.
1.
Oh.
Going up.
That's all for that. Can't believe the first floor is locked off. That's not good. That's it.